walking into her house, up to her house.
We don't just walk into people's houses.
We do.
We'll knock.
He's like, what's up?
Apparently it's not a game, that's what his shirt says.
Apparently.
Hey, I gotta stand behind you.
That's my best angle.
I hope you're cutting this.
What? It's my best angle. It's my fade. Did that doorbell work?
Yeah, I would just knock.
Can I? It worked. Unless I'm jumping through the window. Should I try again? Hopefully this goes towards a new doorbell.
Aww.
Hello.
Hi.
How are you? I'm Mark.
Good.
Nice to meet you.
Come on.
Hello.
Hi, Mark.
How are you guys doing? I'm Mark.
Alyssa.
Nice to meet you. Nice
Hi.
to meet you in person finally.
Yes, you too.
Awesome. How are you feeling today?
Good.
Awesome.
Good.
Well, we came here. Want to come in your house? Well, as you know, we did a fundraiser for you through TigerFitness.com. First, I'd like to give you this shirt from Purist Labs. Here you go. It should fit you. It might be a little big, but small is all they had. Another thing is we raised some money, and we didn't think it was enough, so the owner of Purist Labs, Brandon Smith, and myself both threw in $500 of our own money combined. So we have two checks here. One is from Purist Labs. This one's for $355.51.
Thank you.
And then this is from my company. It's also from TigerFitness.com. This is for $750.
Wow.
So that you do what you want with it. If you want to go buy something nice for yourself, use it towards whatever you want. But we thought that was the least we could do, and we'll continue to help you. And if you ever need anything from us, just let us know.
Okay.
But hope everything's going well.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, it's good. So you feeling okay? How's your day going?
Good. It's been really good. The levels are going back up, so I'm feeling a lot better than I'm like when you start treatment.
Yeah.
But yeah.
That's awesome. Well, I'm really glad we could do something to help you out.
Yes, thank you.
Anything you need, you know, everybody has my cell phone number, so just let us know. But it's the least we can do, and hopefully that your page is out there. People start, you know, donating, helping, and even just saying things nice, because I know that helps.
Everybody's been really supportive, so it's really nice.
That's awesome. Well, enjoy that. Again,
Thank
it's
you.
your money. It's written. It's in your name. It's not any. It's in yours. So do what you want with it. It's a gift from us.
Thank you.
Awesome. No problem.
Good job.
Hi, Emma.
Hi, Lulu.
Emma is the one who got this all set up, and she's the one that came to me to help Danica. Say hi, Danica.
Hi.
And so we would thank you, Emma. Anything you want to say? No?
No.
All right.
Just thank you.
You're very
That's all we
welcome.
need. Well, I'm glad we can help. It's the least we can do.